The Fury. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. We're gonna start working on it right now. We're gonna do it. License plate. Get my license plate off.
Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Woo, woo, woo. We don't need this stinking plate.
Put your bolts back where you got them from. That way you can't lose the shit. And then you go get yourself a Ziploc bag and some Sharpie. You put your bolts in your bag Sharpie and write them up. Tell you what they are. When you leave, you come back and you're like, oh, I know where these go. Because I can read the label on my Ziploc bag. And that's how I do it.
Let's work on the seat. Oh. Those look like hex heads. Hex head, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when the hex head's looking for you? This is tight. I don't really take the seat off that often. Now, ooh, I'm gonna scratch my paint. Don't want to scratch the paint. Take the paint off. Seat belt. Ooh, I'm gonna scratch the paint again. One thing I do like about the Fury is that Honda did a really good job at hiding bolts and stuff, especially for the back passenger. If you don't want to be solo ride, it's all hidden behind here. And you can take the pegs off and it really cleans up the look. So the goal that I'm doing is cleaning it up even more with the Eliminator kit and making things streamlined. Custom exhaust I'm having made for me from Smoke and Tire Garage. They do some awesome work and I want a part of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw that on my parts cart. It's raining pretty good. I got my seat off and everything. I want to get a newer seat too. Low and mean makes one that sits lower and meaner. That will be in the future. Look at a big old shock up in there, man. Big old shock. Look at the rain outside. I don't know if you could see that, but it's coming down. Great way to work on a motorcycle. Just in the rain, chilling, taking shit apart. Seat pegs. Oh! Ah, broke off up in there. Shit! Oh, that sucks. God damn it, I'm gonna have to order these now. Fucking things. Looks pretty loose. Oh. Oh! That's pretty damn easy. Holy shit, the only thing holding my ass on this fucking bike is 2 little push pins and 2 little bolts. Shit. That's a big ass fender though, I like that. Gotta put this somewhere soft. I don't want to ruin my fender. Want to see something crazy? Look at my bald ass tire. There's hardly any tread on that. There's more here on this side than on this side because I have the exhaust. I can't get lower any lower than I could because I scrape. Even at the high, what do you call it? God damn it, the adjusting shock, because you can adjust that to go up and down. Even at the highest setting, I still scrape because I get that low with my 1/4-inch chicken strips. Maybe we can take the tire off. Never did this before. I never worked with drive shaft before, so we're gonna find out. I'm taking this nut off here. Nut bolt. That's a long boy. There's a long boy in there. Put that in a baggie. I got a big old nut. Bigger. 32! I also like the fact that Honda likes to use a lot of the same parts, or not the same parts, but yeah, basically the same parts. The controls and everything on the Fury is the same as on the Shadows and the Rebels. This 32mm rear axle nut on the Fury is the same one that's on the Honda CRF. So that's how I knew it had big stuff. Breaker bar. Righty tighty, lefty loose. Yeah. I bet I'm spinning the other side. Am I spinning? I am spinning. I don't have anything that can go in there. That sucks. How am I gonna do this? Oh, get something in there. I gotta get a square or something. No. Maybe. Let's try this. I got a little piece of wood with some heat shrink wrap as rubber, and the wood should damage it. See if I can twist this out. Around and around we go. Where will it stop? Nobody knows. Ha ha! Bam! Done! Got that nut off! I'll pull up that nut! One big old axle, big ass nut. Ain't no better tool than the tool you make. How about a plastic dead blow? See, I use my foot, hold my rim up, my tire, slide the brake caliper out. Ooh! I don't know what's gonna happen now. So far, we're okay. Let me show you this. On this side here. Yeah. Oh yeah. If I pull this out and maybe the spacer, I could get the tire off the drive shaft. I'm assuming it's geared. Half inch to 3/8. 3/8. Half inch to 3/8, 3/8 to 8. This probably holds on that bolt. Yeah, of course. Okay. Let me get a rag for that. Wheel bearing. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, I'm stuck. No worries. Take it to nice, good old height. We're free. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, shit. We're good. Didn't get damaged. So that's the drive shaft, huh? Well, shit. Butter my butt and call me a biscuit. We got ourselves a tire off. Well, that's exciting. Whew. Filthy. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. All right, boys and gal, if the gal's watching. I think this is a good stopping point right now before I get all technical with the electronics and all this stuff. I gotta label my bolts and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did. I never took one of these apart. Now I know how. If you haven't, now you could use this as a reference. If you got a Fury or VTX or whatever, State Line. Yeah. So that's it. Like, subscribe, bell. Click a button if you want to see more. In the meantime, I will see you later. Peace.